Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on your ESPN Fantasy Sports account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in espn.com/fantasy and press enter. You will now be taken into the official ESPN Fantasy website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button within the homepage and then proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to change your email address, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on ESPN Profile. This will then take you into your profile settings page. Now underneath account info, just click on your email address and you will now be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your inbox of your current email address. So just check within your inbox and you will find your one-time password. Just enter this code within the verification box and click on continue, and you will now be asked to enter your desired new email address. Just type in your new email address that you wish to change into and then click on save and continue. Once you click on this button, you may also receive another verification email within your new email address. So log in and once again do the same process by entering the one-time password. After you verify your identity with the one-time password, your email address will be changed on your ESPN Fantasy Sports account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on your ESPN Fantasy Sports game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.